Hey guys, so it is time to open my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So I did, just spoiler alert, already kind of open this because I didn't think it was my Glam Bag Plus. I thought it was something else that I had ordered from Ipsy. So a little confused, but maybe they're just doing away with boxes for whatever reason. I don't know if I have a strong opinion about it, but anyone else get the bag instead of the box? Just me? No? Anyways, let's go ahead and dive on in. I guess a couple things I should mention before we dive on in is this is the first month that Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscribers were able to pick 3 out of their 5 products. And of course I took full advantage of that. It wasn't quite what I was expecting. They kind of put a bunch, like the products in different groups, so you can only pick 1 out of each group. And I was about some of the groups, I'm not gonna lie. When they originally announced that they were going to be doing the you pick 3, we pick 2 whole promo thing, I definitely thought I was gonna enjoy my picks or my possibilities a little bit more, and we'll get to it here in a minute, but I was not super thrilled about some of the products that I was able to choose. So let's go in, let's get in here. So we're gonna pull all of this out at the same time because not everything fits in the new satchel. So this is the new satchel that they advertised. I'm calling it a satchel. I guess it's a bag. I'm not entirely sure. It does say Ipsy on it. It feels just kind of like a plain cotton fabric. And it's a good size, but considering not everything would fit in here, I'm not even sure my brushes would fit in here comfortably. Maybe, I don't know. I'll have to test that out after I finish filming this video. I don't even know if I want a bag, honestly. Like, that's kind of where I'm at the point. Like, I almost don't need more bags because that's how long I've been an Ipsy subscriber. I've been a normal Ipsy subscriber since, God, probably like 2016, 2017. And then I was one of the first people to get the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So needless to say, I have a plethora of bags that I don't currently need. With that being said, let's look at the first product. So the first product, this is a product I chose. It is the Derma Medicine Advanced Skincare Weightless Face Moisturizer with SPF 25. It is a daily face moisturizer. So one of the reasons why I chose this is because I actually do need a new face moisturizer. And since I work outside for many hours a day, at least a minimum of 8, I definitely enjoy the fact that this does have SPF in it. Something I'm just a little concerned about looking at the active ingredients is the active ingredients are octinoxate and zinc oxide. And my skin's had reactions to this before, so I'll let y'all know how I feel about this or how this works out. But otherwise, I was excited about this, being able to pick this, and we'll see how it goes. The next product that I chose was the Complex Culture brush. I believe this was a blush brush. It's a plush powder brush. So we'll go ahead and open up this bad boy. Something I've noticed over the past couple of months is that Ipsy's been really big with partnering with, Complex Culture. I think this might actually be like low-key a company that Ipsy, like I think Ipsy bought this company and is now making their own brushes for the glam bags. I could be wrong. I need to do my research. Maybe editing me will remember to make a note. But otherwise, this brush is like super floofy. It is big. It is almost, in my opinion, too big for like blushes for most of my blush palettes. I would almost use this for like setting powder, which I ain't mad at. I actually kind of need a second. I only have one like powder setting brush, so I like this, and it is very soft. So I ain't mad. Let's see. Oh, is there a little like card that came with it? No, just packaging. Okay, we can go with that. Now let's actually open up the satchel and see what's inside. Oh, here we go. So here's the card. I probably should start with that, but oh well. It says August 2020, the future is yours. Look forward to a bright and shiny tomorrow. That's like low-key from Disney. Like it's a great big beautiful tomorrow. I see you, Ipsy. Anyways, from achieving your glowy skin goals to discovering what lights you up inside and out, the future's in your hands with a Glam Bag Plus that's even more personalized by you, and it looks epic. Debatable. Let's see. Basically, it's just talking about some of the products that some of the Ipsters got this month, And it has the save the date. It looks like for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscribers, our pick your items are September 1st through September 3rd. And yeah, nothing really new there. Let's see what else is in here. The next thing, believe it or not, it's an eyeliner. And I picked it because that just tells you what else is in the category. I think next month I'll try to remember to screenshot what was in the different categories for me to pick. That way I can talk a little bit about, I don't know, justification if nothing else. So I did pick an eyeliner. I don't quite remember what else was in this category, but the fact that I picked an eyeliner tells me that I was not super thrilled about everything else in this category. I know a lot of people complain that Ipsy sends them a lot of eyeliners. Honestly, as long as it's not too often, I don't mind it because I love liquid eyeliner. It's like my go-to eyeliner now. So we'll try this out. We'll go ahead and open this up and see what that tip looks like. And I'll attempt to do a swatch. Oh, I should probably mention, this is by the brand Real Her I Am Amazing 24-hour eyeliner. So it's actually, oh, this is not a liquid eyeliner like I thought it was. This is the other kind. So I'll swatch it. You know, it kind of feels, other than the fact that I know it's not a liquid eyeliner, it kind of feels a little liquidy. That's not the best swatch. I was kind of playing around with drawing. Oh well, you just have to deal with kind of a subpar swatch, but I'm sorry guys. So I guess joke's on me for not reading the details well enough, and not realizing that this is not a liquid eyeliner. This is what I would say a traditional eyeliner is. Whoopsies. And then the next product I'm pulling out of this bag is a product that Ipsy chose for me because they're still choosing 2 products you receive every month based on what your profile says. So this is the Cryo ATP Sports Booster by 111 Skin. So basically, as far as I'm aware, this is a serum. And it says, mimicking the effect of extreme cold on the skin, this booster contains cellular energy, or ATP, to encourage optimized cell function. A lax complexion will be reignited to leave it tightened, toned, and refined, while dullness and flushing is counteracted for a fresh, reinvigorated complexion. So, I grew up in Michigan. I don't know if I believe all of that about feeling cold. I kind of am hoping that this actually has like a tingly, chilly effect on your skin because it is 105 today here in Texas, and I am not about that. I am going to go ahead and open this and see if there's a smell. Okay, it has like a clean like spa-like smell, if you will. I am going to just put like a little drop on my hand and we'll see if I feel anything by the end of this video, because for science, it's like interesting. It's very smooth. Okay, we'll let that sit for a couple minutes and see what happens. I do feel like it is a little chilling, so I'm kind of excited about that. I do feel like it's cold, but I don't know if it's cold just because like I just put something wet on my hand or if it's because of the product itself. Now let's look at the last product, which it's a, what is it? Demi Matte Cream Lipstick by Huda Beauty, and this is in the shade Shiro. So like hero, but with the letter S in front of it. So let's go ahead and open this up and swatch this bad boy. If I can figure out how to open it. Okay, it looks like it's like a pinky nude so far. That's my first impression on it. It is a pretty color, but I do feel like I might already have a color that's similar to this. It's definitely showing up a little bit more almost orangey on the camera, but it's nude-ish, if you will. I am excited about this. So overall, I am pretty happy with all the products that I got in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The only thing that I feel kind of meh about is the eyeliner. Apparently I'm an idiot. I didn't catch that. I do kind of wish the customization was a little better. Like you would have had more options, but I mean, to be fair, this is the first month. We'll see how September goes. There have been some times recently where I've been thinking about putting Ipsy on pause or canceling altogether because I have a lot of makeup, and truth be told, I don't need any more makeup, but I do enjoy getting my Ipsy every month, so it's one of the reasons why I haven't canceled or paused just yet. So one thing I do like to do is I do like to go over the products I got in last month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and tell you guys my real thoughts about them and whether or not I like them, whether or not I would use them, whether or not I'd actually pay full price for them, because one of the nice things about Ipsy is for, you know, what you're getting, you do get a good value of products. So let's dive on in. So the first product I got was a makeup brush. It was also by Complex Culture. I'm not showing it to you physically in person, but I will put up a picture here if I haven't already. I like it. I did try it. It's really big, and when I attempt to contour, I definitely do not need something that big, but with that being said, it's not like I can't use that brush for other purposes. So I'm pretty happy. I'm always happy when I get a makeup tool in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So overall, happy with that product. The other product that I want to talk about is I got a set of 3 sheet masks, and I always love me a sheet mask. Sheet mask a day is said to keep the wrinkles away, or at least, I don't know, that's what all the big beauty gurus say. So I'm always happy when they send me sheet masks, but again, I will always now be comparing it to that time where they sent me 6 sheet masks. 6 sheet masks, that's really hard to say. And now they're only gonna send me 3, so what's the deal, Ipsy? Anyways, pretty happy with that. The next 3 products I actually incorporated into my makeup look today, and I probably also used them in my makeup look in my last Stitch Fix unboxing. So the first thing I'll talk about is this lip gloss by Nature's Cartel. So I did layer this over a lipstick, and now it kind of has this permanent like nude tinge to it. Which, not the worst thing in the world, to be honest, because this was the lip gloss, when I originally opened it, almost matched this highlighter. And it was just a very bright look. I think it would be perfect for like a winter look when I'm much more pale, but I don't know, it just doesn't quite work for me when it's summer. With that being said, now that I accidentally mixed it with some tan lipstick, and it already now has like a permanent tan, almost nude twinge to it, tinge, you know what I mean. Now that it's a slightly different color, it works a little better for me, but I do really like lip glosses this time of year in the summer because all my makeup melts off in minutes. Plus, now lipsticks don't really matter anymore because we're always wearing masks all the time, and wearing masks all the time is unfortunately probably gonna be our future for a hot minute. So I do like me a lip gloss. The next product, I already kind of talked about it, is this highlighter. It is in the shade Glazed Donut, and it was the Ofra Nikki Tutorials combo. I can never remember the word I'm supposed to use. Basically, Ofra and Nikki Tutorials got together and made this highlighter. I did try it as a highlighter. It is, again, very bold. It doesn't quite work with my summer skin, but I do think this will work very well with my winter skin. Instead, I actually used it in my little crease, and I used it a little bit on my brow bone. So I really like this. And then the last product is this eyeshadow by Il Maquillage in the shade Newsflash. So this is way more subtle than I thought it was going to be, because when you open it up, it is like a good deep chocolatey brown. I do really like it. There's not like any fallout or anything like you might see with like a ColourPop eyeshadow. I definitely had to make it bolder. I had to like use a finger and some of the makeup setting spray on my eye to kind of like really make it bold. But otherwise, this is a good subtle brown, and you can do a lot of different things with this. It's very creamy. Anyways, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, consider doing all the happy YouTube algorithm things, such as subscribing and thumbs upping and sharing, etc. And anyways, stay safe out there, and yeah. Oh, I guess one last update. My hand is no longer cool. While the serum had an initial cooling effect, it definitely is just normal now. It's nice and dry. I can never words. It does not have a lasting cooling effect. It might have an initial cooling effect, which would probably feel really great. I'll have to let you know. I'll try and make sure to use it before I get next month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Anyways, Thanks so much for watching.